Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding Gorouter to PubSpec. YAML and fetching packages so dependencies resolve. This ensures you can import the API. Next, create a Gorouter with an initial location and a list of Go route entries so navigation targets exist. Then replace Material App with Material App. Router, passing Router Delegate, Route Information Parser, and Route Information Provider from your Gorouter instance. This wiring connects Flutter's navigation system to Gorouter so your routes are active immediately. Once the router is wired, define concrete Goroute entries with clear paths and builders. This is where you control UI for each URL. Use path parameters like ID and read them with state. Params ID to pass data into pages and use state. Query params for optional arguments. For shared UI or layouts, nest routes under shell route or parent routes so the scaffold persists. Finally, add redirect callbacks for auth or feature gating so navigation logic runs before page building. To navigate, call context. Go for replacing the stack or context. Push to add history. This gives you predictable back behavior. Pass complex data via the extra parameter, but make sure deep linkable data stays serializable so links work across restarts. Once done, test deep links and hot reload behavior. If navigation misbehaves, enable Gorouter debug logging and verify route order and parameter names. Most issues come from path mismatches or misplaced redirects, so check those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.